Hello guys, this is me and Gaiti. We're on the way to Mao for Cherry Blossom Festival. We're gonna drive a long way, so we're gonna start journey from Mekalong and we're gonna drive to till Mao. Yeah, so he's a cinematographer and I'm gonna be directing. So we're gonna cover some footage regarding the Shanghai Festival. So we'll see you on the way. Okay, here we go. We are going. Right now, all the way to go. Mark zero ne? Black color lagi, black color. Sorry. Đó bạn đấy. Hãy tao có xem với tôi. Hãy bảo sao mày nào. Này nó hết mình để tập lắm đi. Đang xin điểm gì? Tao đi ngoài hết rồi đi. Seven 30. 7:30. We are in Senapati. Rem ha. Wow, còn rem ha. Everything nào. Nó còn gì nhỉ hả?
Luôn ạ.
Rồi nó condition nữa. With this bad boy today, Hunter. So hey, we are mau cái tầm giai bên thế. Cherry Blossom Festival bằng thế này. So cha trong bên này tao. Cái lúc còn 5:30 cái thầu của tao. It's so hectic and tired. Tao hay nó cái ồn hết. Ai mấy con đuổi. Gì có giàu thế?
Không tụm đâu, tao bây giờ đấy đi. Không lên cái này mình ra đâu. Cherry Blossom.
Sendiri Không boleh hết. Kasi kaya malang singgulit haya naman din dito.
Kumain din. Để ngoài đây.
May trekking point eh. Or na po man ni. Ito po ni.
Finish, no?
Yeah. Apa ini?
There used to be a lot of policemen before.
Oh, here.
Here's
Yeah.
one big barrack.
So, this Cherry Blossom Festival, I think this is not the first time. No.
This will be 10th, I think.
10 time.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is done
At
only.
first, we started as only flower festival,
Okay.
and then since it was very encouraging, we started a bit larger scale.
Okay.
Then we approached the government of Manipur. Then in 2018,
2018.
yeah, Cherry Blossom was introduced.
With from that onwards, Cherry Blossom Festival was
Yes, yes.
introduced. So it is done only in times of Shanghai Festival, I think. Is it like that or?
After Cherry Blossom was introduced in 2018, we used to conduct in Shanghai.
Oh, the Shanghai Festival along with the Cherry Blossom Festival
Yes,
together.
yes.
Okay, as a part of Manipur Tourism Department. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's also kind of good, no?
Yeah.
Because first Shanghai Festival was only conducted in the Greater Imphal area only, but now they are conducting in the different parts of Manipur now, even including hills and valley together.
Yes, yes.
So to bring diverse.
So before COVID, it was going on smoothly.
Okay.
And then suddenly COVID came, it was disturbed, and then in 2022 we started again.
Yeah.
But after 2022, there was this cookie and guitar classes.
Yeah. The
So
conference.
it was disturbed again. But 23 and 24, we did in a very small scale, just
Okay.
for peace and harmony.
Okay. For in 2024.
In 2023 and 2024.
So this.
But that was not sponsored by the government.
Oh, it was sponsored by locality
Yeah,
only. Okay, but now finally it is coming into large scale again, right?
It's coming again this year.
It's good. If we can keep on continuing like this, one day it will be like growing more and more, no?
Yes, sir.
So you must be in program. What is your role? I mean,
Me,
yeah,
just
as a volunteer or
organizing
organizing committee,
Yeah.
part of organizing committee only.
Yes, yes. Before up till 2018, I was the treasurer.
Okay. Of this organizing committee.
Yes. But it's too busy, you know.
Yeah.
So I let in some youngsters to take up their responsibilities.
That's correct. This is the venue that's gonna take place Cherry Blossom Festival. Now they are all under preparation for now. So this is the stage, I think. Yeah, it's very pleasing, very beautiful place. Look at this, it is blooming. So I'll be staying tonight and even tomorrow. So there will be a program on 21, and I'll get you guys back, get you guys back in that program. See Senapati with the ADC.
Longing, connection, and the joy of reunion, a reflection of life's simple yet profound moments.
Good nom tu good nom tu kai magi. A physically challenged person's drawing. So he's a beautiful talent despite from his condition. Footstool.
Manipur livelihood and rural
Taking out the pen thing.
of the Senapati district. So when we start as an individual farmer, it is very difficult to fill up the gap.